For today's video, I am going to show you how to replace a lift arm for the 45 series exit device. First, prepare the required tools and replacement parts. Remove the lift arm assembly from the main bracket. Unscrew and remove the mounting screws. Separate the old lift arm from the assembly. Remove the spacer and retaining hardware. Reattach the retaining clip to secure the pin. Align the lift arm with the mounting holes. Reinstall and tighten the mounting screws. Reassemble the remaining components. Tighten all fasteners securely. Perform a final function test to ensure smooth operation, and we are done. Should you need further assistance, please contact our tech support.